afternoon. We are going outside because the weather is so good and I am gonna do my gardening. I will clean my strawberry bed. I'm just gonna drink my coffee first, and yeah, look at that. It's so sunny. What's the temperature, babe? What's the temperature? 16? Yeah, 16. So 16 is not bad. And they said tomorrow it will be cold again. So we will make the most of it. Kasi minsan-minsan lang to na ganito yung weather. What are you doing?
Secret.
I'm in secret.
No looking.
Wanna say good afternoon?
Good afternoon. I was busy siphoning the python. Excuse me, Madam Mom.
Don't need to say that.
Okay.
So ito yung lilinisin ko ngayon mga palangga. O, nakikita nyo ba? Sobrang daming damo. Oy, Diyos ko. I don't know if you could see me because I could not see you because of the reflection. Ito kasing bed na to, napabayaan ko to. Sobrang daming motorcycle. Nagsilabasan na naman sila kasi maganda yung weather. So, itong bed na to, napabayaan ko kasi sobrang busy ko kasi And malala na talaga. Sobrang lala na ng bed na ito. So, I will take you with me, but I will fast you forward kasi kung hindi ko kayo ipa-fast forward, parang aabutin siguro ako ng 1 oras dito or 2 oras, hindi ko alam. So, I'll put you right here. Sobrang liit pa ng progression natin mga palangga kasi sobrang dami kasing damo, mga nasa 5% pa siguro tayo. Sobrang laki pa ang lilinisin ko. Kasalanan ko kasi it's my fault na pinabayaan ko and I let this bed to be like this, to be worst. Pahinga muna ako. I need to get rest. I'm so tired. Look at him. There he is. Peeing. The back of my knees is aching because I am wearing a jeans and it's getting sore. And I'm so thirsty. I feel like I'm gonna...
Take them off. Give me shorts on.
No. I feel like I'm gonna faint. This is a good exercise. Very good exercise. I'm so against the light. I don't know why. Hello. Hello, my babies. Huh? Honey, I want a tropical juice, please. Han, I'm so thirsty. Ang iisipin ko na lang is ito, sobrang ganda to na exercise para mawala ang mga taba-taba ko sa katawan ko. I don't know why it's dark. Is it dark or it just... I think it's dark or something. I don't know. Nasa mga 65% na tayo. 65%? Hindi naman siguro 65%. Nasa 45% na tayo mga palangga, oh. Nasa 45. We are on the 45% now. But that area here, that's a lot of weeds in there. Dito kasi, hindi siya makapal masyado yung weeds niya. Pero dito, sobrang kapal niya. So, aabutin ako ng 10 years. 10 years. Where is John? He's preparing coffee. Did you see him right there?
Yeah. What a good husband.
Really?
Oh yeah. The finest.
The finest. The finest.
There's a good smell of dung, isn't there?
Mm.
Right, I'm going to sit in my shelter.
Cheers.
Cheers, señorita.
Right, we'll go sit in the barbecue house. This is warm in here, very warm.
It's nice. It's.
Dio ko nga pala ngayon mga palangga. So, susulitin ko ngayon kasi yung araw is sobrang ganda. Tulad ni Jan. You need to learn Tagalog, Han.
I know she says she loves me and handsome.
What did I say?
I've no idea.
I said it's my day off today, so I need to make the most of it because the weather is nice as well.
Okay. Well, that's comfortable.
Huh?
Well, that's comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, I could sleep in here. I could really sleep in here, Han. I will not finish the bed today, mga palangga, because tomorrow I got work for 14 hours and my palm is starting to ache. And I don't want to go to work tomorrow and I have a pain in my body because naranasan ko na yan. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko pero pumasok ako. It's not the nicest feeling. Anyways, before we gonna go inside, I will get some carrots. You see that, our carrots? This is not good because if the sun will shine them, they turn into green. Kukuha ako ng carrots because we're gonna have a beef stew tonight. Oh dear, that's massive. Oh my gosh! Ito siya. Galing siya dito. Oh, oh, nakakatawa naman to, uy. I need to hide him from the sun. Bye-bye! I love you! Umalis si Mr. John is going out, so we need to go inside. Parang sa Pilipinas lang ba? Maganda kasi yung weather, mga palangga. So, sometimes, when the weather is good, we also hang our clothes outside. Kasi alam niyo naman siguro na we don't have a dryer. So, that's why I hang my clothes outside. He is here. Come on, get inside. We better let him in.
The size of Pippi's piece of wood.
Look at you. That's why your teeth is bad. Because she always do like that. She always carrying things in her mouth.
Oh, it's nature. Sit.
Yeah, it's her nature. Sometimes she carry a rock that size.
Well, no, she does. That's why she would wore her teeth out.
Yeah.
Out.
So are you alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mom. What are you moaning about now?
I don't like celery. It makes me. All I have to use are out.
I like celery.
I don't.
But when they are cooked, but if they are raw, no,
want
thank
coffee?
you. No, I don't want coffee, thank you. Some people eat this raw and dip it, and that's it. I cannot eat it like that. I still got my hat on. Honey, I'm asking you, what would you like to have with your beef stew?
Cauliflower cheese.
Cauliflower cheese?
Anything. But not celery.
But not celery. Celery is good with a stew. You don't need to eat the celery, sweetheart.
What's the flavour in the thing? It's horrible.
Nagbabalik ako. I am back after how many hours na? 4 hours. So, I ended up not putting the celery. I am so sorry. I know it's a waste. But, John doesn't like celery. So, he wins. But, I still got a lot of celery right here. I like celery. But, it has to be cooked. And so, I am planning probably tomorrow afternoon, I will probably cook something else with celery. I don't know yet. But yeah, anyway, ito yung vlog natin for today. This is our vlog for today. I am very sorry I am not as hyper as I am because I don't know. I know this is not good to disclose you guys, but somebody died in where I work, yung residents namin, and sometimes you feel attached with them, but that's life. So, yun, kailangan tanggapin kasi that's the life. Yun talaga. Lahat tayo, we will get there. So, anyway, yun na yung vlog natin for today, mga palangga, yung gardening natin. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Probinsyana talaga kasi we're living in the countryside. Kung may probinsyano sa Pilipinas, ako yung probinsyana dito sa UK. I'm just curious. Yung probinsyano ba, is it still on? Because as far as I remember bago ako umalis sa sa Pilipinas, yung probinsyano nagsisimula pa lang. I am not sure kasi hindi ako active sa TV. Pero I think nakita ko yung probinsyano pero hindi ko sure. So, comment kayo kung yung probinsyano is still on the TV kasi if it is, sobrang tagal na, no? So, anyway, mga palangga, that's it for me today. I will see you in my next video and bye! Mwah! Mwah!